So I am here at Michael's in Hoover, and we are having an acrylic pouring class, and these are some of the beautiful, beautiful paintings that they've done. They are gorgeous. Okay, they are absolutely gorgeous, and we are getting ready to do a flip cup. And that's gonna be really a lot of fun. We're gonna get some oohs and ahs, ooh ah, ooh. All right. So, anybody want to say how they're enjoying the class? How you enjoying the class?
Fantastic.
Great.
Fantastic. Okay, we having a good time?
Yeah.
Good deal, good deal. Now, to be honest with you, we had some experienced paint pourers in here who came in thinking that they were going to learn something absolutely new because they thought they might have been doing something wrong. But this is pretty much a basic class, and we're doing the straight pour, the dirty pour, and the flip cup. So I think what they found out is they were doing everything right. Okay, they just needed some reassurances. And then we have two newbies over here who are, they say they newbies. That's what they say.
Not with them.
Okay, but yeah, but look at this.
Yeah.
Look at this. She's done this tree ring pour, which we haven't been able to achieve yet. Okay, and then we got this diehard Auburn fan right here. Look at that. Is that a tiger or what? Seriously? Come on. So I'm having a good time, and I hope they are too.
Yes.
So I'm having another class here on Saturday, March the 7th at 4 o'clock. So sign up. Go to michaels.com. I'll be at the Hoover store.